First of all, let's doing praying together. Cheta, yeah, please lead the pray.
Attention, friends, before we study, let's pray together. Pray start. Dear God, please bless my life and my heart so to understand the lesson. Dear God,
We will get today.
Okay, thank you, Cheta. So, good morning, all students.
Good morning, Miss.
Okay, how are you today? You can unmute yourself first. How are you today?
and
Fine, thank you. And what about you, Miss?
what about you?
Good. Thank you. Okay, so have you eaten your breakfast?
No.
Yes.
No.
Oh,
Yes.
yeah, some students not yet. Yeah, it's okay. After the English class, you can have your breakfast. Yeah. So yesterday, I already sent the links of notebook and also coursebook workbook. Yeah. To your class teacher. Have you opened the link? Yes. Okay. Some students already opened the link. Some students not. It's okay. So our topic today will be present perfect continuous tense. Yeah, it's tenses. So now I will share the screen of the note. Yeah. If you don't check it yet, so you can check here. Please write this note on your book. Yeah. You can write it after the English class finish. Okay, so the title is present perfect continuous tense or present perfect progressive. So it is the same. Yeah, continuous and progressive itu sama. The meaning is this tense is used to show that an action started in the past and has continued up to the present moment. Ya, maksudnya jadi tenses ini digunakan untuk menceritakan sebuah kejadian atau activity yang sudah dimulai dari masa lampau atau sudah terjadi dari dulu dan masih terjadi sampai sekarang. Ya, misalkan dari dulu itu maksudnya kayak 2 tahun lalu, 3 tahun lalu, ya, dan kegiatan itu masih berlangsung sampai sekarang. Ya, nggak cuman beberapa tahun ya, beberapa jam lalu juga bisa. Jadi kegiatan yang sudah terjadi duluan, ya, dan masih berlanjut sampai sekarang. So here you can see the formula of the tenses. Ya, jadi formulanya itu seperti biasa ada subject, ya, and then positive sentence, negative sentence, and interrogative sentence. Yeah, so this is very easy to remember because you already know how to use has and have. Jadi karena sudah tahu penggunaan has and have, you can know, oh, for the subject Ayu Dewi will use have. And then for the subject she, he, it, use has. So here is the formula. Yeah, and also I give examples. So let's see the examples. You have been playing tennis since your childhood. Berarti dia itu masih bermain tenis sejak dia kecil. Nah, mungkin sekarang umurnya sudah 10 tahun atau 11 tahun. Dan dia sudah bermain tenis ini since childhood. Berarti mungkin dari umur 6 tahun atau 7 tahun sudah bermain tenis sampai sekarang. Ya, that's the meaning. That's the meaning of the sentence. Nah, for the negative, it's very easy. Ya, jadi negatifnya you add not after have. Ya, the examples, you have not been playing tennis since your childhood. Jadi, kamu belum pernah bermain tenis dari sejak kecil. Ya, that's the negative. And then the interrogative, ya, have you been playing tennis since your childhood? Apakah kamu sudah bermain tenis sejak dari kecil? Nah, that's the example for subject I, you, they, we, which use have. And then for the example by using has. Yeah, so the subject here, I choose this one, she. She has been playing piano for 2 hours. Ya, jadi dia sudah bermain piano dari 2 jam yang lalu dan sampai sekarang masih bermain. Ya, masih bermain piano. And then the negative, you only add not here. She has not been playing piano for 2 hours. And then the last for interrogative, has she been playing piano for 2 hours? Nah, ya. So that's for the example. Nah, if you can see here, ya, for the first examples, I use since. Ya, since. Di sini since artinya sejak. Kalau minggu lalu kita bahas conjunction, since artinya karena. Ya, but if we look at these tenses, kalau kita lihat di tenses ini, since artinya sejak. And then the second example we use for. So what's the difference using since and for? Okay, so here is the difference. You can see since is used to a specific month, year, or a period of time. Jadi dia digunakan untuk jangka waktu yang sudah spesifik ya. Misalkan kita sudah tahu, oh dari masa kecil. Masa kecil itu kan kita pasti tahu dari kita umur mungkin sekitar 5 tahun, 6 tahun ya. Jadi kita bisa menggunakan since. Ya, karena itu sudah spesifik. Oh, waktu kecil. Nah, dan waktu remaja atau waktu sudah tua ya, like that. And then for is used to a not specific time. Ya, jadi dia tidak terlalu spesifik. It refers to a number of hours, days, months, or years. Ya, jadi like 2 hours, 3 hours, 2 days ago, ya, or 2 years ago. Yeah, so we can use for. Okay, so that's for the explanation. Yeah, do you have any question? You can unmute yourself if you have any questions. Okay, really? There is no questions? Okay, so if there is no question, let's answer the exercises yeah, on workbook. Yeah, if you have workbook, please open your workbook. Nah, this one, workbook. Okay, so for workbook, please open page 16. Yeah. We will discuss only part D. Yeah, so this one is very easy. You need to choose which one is the correct form of present perfect continuous tense. Yeah, look at here. Present perfect continuous tense. Okay. Nah, so the instruction is choose the correct tense and complete the sentences. Okay, so we can choose the answer. Yeah, you can underline it or circle or make a cross. Yeah. Which one is the correct form of present perfect continuous tense? Yeah, remember.
Halaman berapa?
16.
Halaman.
Yeah. So remember the formula is subject, have or has, and then been plus verb ing and adverb of time. Yeah. So can we start? Yes. Okay, thank you. So number 1, who can answer number 1? Yeah, just try it. Who can answer number 1? Okay, Gus Maha, try to answer number 1. Which one is the answer? Yeah, you can unmute yourself.
I have been seeing that movie 10 times.
Wow, good. I have been seeing that movie 10 times. Okay, good. The answer is this one. Have been seeing. Yeah, you can make a circle or underline. Yeah, or cross it. And then if you want to write, you can write here. Okay, thank you, Gus Maha. Next, Satya, try number 2.
I have waited here for 3 hours.
Okay, repeat once again, please.
I have waited here for 3 hours.
Okay, so the answer is have waited. How about the others? Remember, the formula is subject and then have or has, been, and then verb ing. So the answer, have been waiting or have waited.
I've been waiting.
Yeah, have been waiting. Yeah, so have been and verb ing. Good. Thank you, Cheta. It's okay, yeah, Satya. Next, I would like to ask Tita. Okay, Tita, please answer number 3. Ajay. So Ajay is name of people here. Yeah. This one is only one. We can use he. Ajay has taught or has been teaching. Subject, has or have, been, and then verb ing. So that's the answer. Or another student want to try? Gais? Yeah, number 3. What's the answer?
Has been teaching.
Has been teaching. Good. Yeah, the answer is has been teaching. Thank you. Next, number 4. Please, to Arka, try to answer number 4.
My English has been improving since I moved to England.
Good. My English has been improving since I moved to England. Good. Okay, next, number 5. Aline, please try to answer number 5.
She has been learning to speak Russian by now.
Okay, good. Thank you. She has been learning to speak Russian. Russian. Yeah. Thank you. Okay, next number 6. Get mass, please. Okay, get mass.
He, he has he has worked in the company since
Okay, so remember get mass, yeah. The formula is subject and then has or have, been, and then verb ing. So the answer has worked or has been working.
has been working.
Yeah, good. So he has been working in this company since 1980. Good, thank you. Next, Rifa. Rifa, please answer number 7.
Madhu lives in Germany.
Mhm.
She has been living there since her birth.
Okay, good. Yeah, Madu. Madu is a girl. So Madu lives in Germany. She has been living there since her birth. Yeah. Okay. Thank you, Rifa. Next, number 8.
Yes, Miss.
Mm, Sinta. Yeah, try to answer number 8, please.
We haven't reached
Mm.
home.
So the answer is,
Have been looking.
oh yeah, good. Yeah, we haven't reached home. We have been looking for the highway for more than an hour. Okay, good. Thank you. So for the exercises on page 16, is it clear for you? Do you have any questions? Okay. Have you finished writing the answers? Yes? Okay. Okay, so I will close this screen. Okay, thank you. Yeah, and another exercises is on the course book. Yeah, so for the exercises on the course book, yeah, try to answer by yourself. Nah, course book. Yeah, course book. This one is the explanation. Yeah. Ini penjelasannya, and then the exercise is E and then F, ya. On page 32 and 33, ya. Halaman 32 dan 33. Okay, I will give examples, ya, how to answer these exercises. Oh, sorry. I will give one examples, yeah, in each part. Number 1. Okay, the instruction is complete the sentences by filling in the correct present perfect progressive verb form. Okay, so Ram blank 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 stay with his grandfather since his mother was hospitalized. Okay, Ram is a boy and he is singular. We use has or have for Ram.
Has
Has, good. Yeah. So Ram has been. Don't forget to add been. Staying. Yeah, so here is the answers. Ram has been staying with his grandparents since his mother was hospitalized. Okay. Nah, so for number 2, 3, 4, and 5, yeah, I believe you can answer it by yourself. Yeah. Please remember the formula. Ya, remember the formula. Ingat formulanya, pasti nanti bisa. Ya, has or have. Okay, next number F. Answer the question given below by framing sentences using the present perfect progressive tense. Use the word given in the brackets. Okay, so the word is read here. Yeah, and then the question is, what have you been doing since I left? Okay. What have you been doing? So, someone asked me. Ya, and then I will use I. Kan ditanya, apa yang kamu lakukan sejak aku pergi? Oh, I have been. And then here is read. Ya, so reading. I have been reading since you left. Ya, saya sedang membaca buku. Sampai sekarang masih membaca buku sejak kamu pergi meninggalkanku. Ya, misalkan pergi temannya sudah pulang. Ya, apa yang kamu lakukan? Oh, saya masih tetap membaca sampai dari kamu pergi. Ya. Nah, nanti part E and F ya, itu ada 5 numbers. Jadi silakan dicoba jawab sendiri. Ya, and also I will share a mini quiz. Jadi nanti Mistress akan share mini quiz juga di Google Classroom. Ya, please answer. So I can know whether you already understand how to answer or how to make a present perfect progressive tense. Ya. Oke.